Meaning of doweling.
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 Doweling. Doweling is a woodworking technique where cylindrical rods, known as dowels, are inserted into pre-drilled holes to join two pieces of wood together. The dowels create a strong, durable and precise joint that can be used in a variety of applications, from simple furniture to complex carpentry projects. Essentially, doweling helps to improve the structural integrity of woodwork, as it allows for greater distribution of weight and pressure across joints, resulting in a more stable and reliable finished product.